Hermit crabs are ditching natural shells and choosing to protect themselves with man-made objects instead, according to new research. As marine pollution mounts, these coastal critters are displaying a preference for plastic across the globe, news.com has learned. Researchers from 2 Polish universities made this revelation after analyzing images of terrestrial hermit crabs posted to social media, writing their findings in a study pre-published by Science Direct for the February 2024 issue of Science of the Total Environment. They looked at 386 crabs that had chosen artificial shells, and found that 10 out of the 16 known species of terrestrial hermit crab were exhibiting this behavior, the study said. These artificial shells were divided based on material into 4 main categories: plastic, metal, glass, and a combination of metal and glass. The researchers found that about 85% of the crabs chose to cover themselves with plastic caps. Terrestrial hermit crabs live on all tropical coastlines and do not possess their own shells. They must find items to protect their soft bodies from the environment and predators. Consequently, shell quality and availability is fundamental to individual fitness, the researchers said. Females also choose their mates based on shell quality, making them important for reproduction. They usually inhabit empty shells from other species, but these natural options are likely becoming increasingly scarce, especially in human-altered environments, the study said. Therefore, the research suggests that in order to find the optimal shell, it may be less costly energy-wise to find an artificial shell than a natural one. Plastics account for 85% of marine waste, and with the majority of ocean pollution coming from rivers, coastlines are hotspots of plastic pollution, according to the study, which found hermit crabs taking up artificial shells on all of the Earth's tropical coasts. The crabs are highly selective in shell choice, and the study suggested 4 mechanisms were driving how individuals made their choice: sexual signaling, lightness of objects, odor cues, and camouflage in polluted environments. Further research is needed to determine the impact of this behavior on hermit crab evolutionary trajectories, the study said. Experts estimate there are currently 75 to 199 million tons of plastic in the Earth's oceans, according to the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP. Unless we change how we produce, use and dispose of plastic, the amount of plastic waste entering aquatic ecosystems could nearly triple from 9 to 14 million tons per year in 2016 to a projected 23 to 37 million tons per year by 2040, according to the UNEP.